Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this text animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. Start by taking a letter and duplicate it. Select them and create a component set. Select the second letter and move it slightly upwards. Now go to prototype mode and connect the variants using while hovering, Smart Animate and set animation to bouncy. This will create a nice hover effect for the letter. Duplicate the letter and change the characters to form a word. Group the letters of each word together. Repeat this process to create a sentence. Align all the word groups properly and place them inside a frame. And add a button element below the sentence. Duplicate the frame. In the second frame, move the word groups downwards and rotate the letters slightly as if they have fallen or scattered. Go to prototype mode and connect the frames using on-click interaction. Use Smart Animate and choose Custom Music. Paste these values and set the duration to 600 ms. And that's it. You have created a fun and interactive falling text animation in Figma. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Figma animation tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.